Welcome. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, Sam Gaming. What up? Ra, hey. And Beanie Player is here. Welcome, everybody. What is going on? Hope everyone is doing great. Tommy Me, good morning. I just made a small trade. Very small. Only made like $60 or 70, but at least unfunded. As we're coming back to these levels, Alex, hey there, and Yannick is here. What up? So first of all, let me talk about this upper fair value gap on the 1 minute quickly. And Dilzik, hey there. And we have this candle on the 1 minute yesterday, New York AM session 951. This was the first fair value gap after the market open, or so-called first presentation gap. And we had a 5 minute fair value gap right after. Now, I mean, sometimes it's really just art. As I mean, yesterday, during the PM session, it got back to this 5 minute gap. And that was it, you know, until the PM session. And now Asia session slowly, very slowly was grinding back. And I think that we have a good possibility that the final draw on liquidity would be the 872-ish area as a draw to the first fair value gap or first presentation. So I'm pretty much confident that this is going to be the target, but I entered somewhere down here just for a scalp, and that's it. Yeah, Langosh, Thanksgiving. Exactly. Farhad, good morning. Mihalis, hey there. And Dale Zizinga, what up? Good morning. Good to see you guys. So I'm pretty much confident that we're going to go to the 72s, actually to the 74s. But I just wanted to make sure to take it off. Small trade here. Obviously, we have some levels a little bit lower before it will go up. Let me add the text here. One minute. All right, so that's the target so far. Yono, good morning. What is going on? And so far, that's it. In the big picture, we have bearish order block up here, so I would be staying bullish. Next target would be at 930. I'm not so sure that it's going to immediately drop, but obviously if it's reaching this level at the 870s, then we could see a possible sharp reversal from there. I mean, this is the 1 hour chart. I'm gonna put a line here at the open. The open is 30.50. Okay, so that should be okay. Otherwise, that is it. Jesus. Reza. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Good morning, Tom and everyone. Hope you all doing well. Just secured my 5th green day with Top Step, another $5,900, total $19,370. Smiley face.
Jesus Christ. Oh my God. So we're gonna do a giveaway, it seems like. ProfiTrade paid me. I heard they canceled some accounts. Yeah, so Yono, congratulations for the payout. And Reza, just a second with you there. Yono, congrats on ProfiTrade payout. Yes, they canceled accounts. Those accounts got canceled that were inactive. So I heard about it, and they are very strict about the rules. Many traders got canceled or because they were not trading, only making the necessary trades and just waiting for the payout and not pushing the button. But congratulations on the ProfiTrade payout. They do pay. Oh, that's hilarious. They do run the show. What? Anyway, Reza. Oh my god. Yeah, welcome to the dead market. We're gonna do then a giveaway. Not just inactive. Oh, canceled accounts for those that also used full contracts to trade. Oh, I heard about that, but I didn't know of how many traders were there. I saw 2 posts on Twitter about this on I don't even know where. It was on Twitter, but I'm not sure under which name. That they don't like people who go with full porting trades, and I don't understand why. By the way, Kuko, good morning. Trader Monk, you're a good morning. Reza, my man, congratulations for $19,370. Wow. Wow. Yeah. This is awesome. This is really awesome. You're what can I say, man? You're successful. Oh. Let me get this started in just a second. We had a giveaway on Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, and now Thursday. Every day almost a giveaway. Almost every day. And most likely it's Reza. It's always Reza. Okay. Okay, giveaway is started, exclamation mark, cash. But then they have no scaling rules. They better be careful because they end up like, yes, Kellyanne might put them on the scam list. I mean, if then yeah. So Naomi, I perfectly agree with you on that one. 100% agree. Why would they cancel accounts? Then put a scaling rule. I 100% agree. Then put in a scaling rule, and that's it. So in this case, I am 100% agreeing with you, and I'm not just in this case, but this is a little bit disappointing, to be honest. You know, they made the rules. They let the people trade however they want. If they don't want you to full port, then put a scaling rule in, and that's it. They also canceled an account of someone for suspecting high frequency. Yeah, I was reading the Telegram chat, and the CEO said that if they found out that someone is using algorithms with high frequency trading, they're going to disable those accounts. I'm willing to believe what their CEO is. What is Reza? Oh my god.
Thank you, Tom, but in total I spent 11k with Top Step in total and now got 19.3k in payout, so 8k plus net profit with Top Step. Smiley face.
Hey, 8k net profit, that's, you know, you run a business and you're net positive. That's all that matters. That's it. So 8k net plus is great. Is great. And you just started out with Top Step recently. You just started out with them, I know. It was like a month ago or 2 months or something. I was paying the Bulenox master account via PayPal. Are there transactional? There should be. Maybe PayPal charges you. I'm not sure, Petrolina. I'm not sure if they charge you. They should not. You know, if they offer PayPal, because they have a. I mean, Bulenox has a PayPal account. They should not charge you transaction fees. Only if you maybe convert your own currency from your country to US dollars. There could be obviously a charge. Slim Trady, good morning. Let me scroll through the chat real quick. If I forgot to say hi to anyone, then sorry about it. What is happening? What is going on? Oh.
With MFFU 41k plus net profit, so they banned me. Smiley face.
Oh my god. They couldn't handle you. Oh. Man. Congratulations. I mean it definitely proves that you know something, you know. Reza, just a second, let me scroll through the chat. Hello everyone, if I forgot to say hello. This currently was introduced today. I got an email about it. You can only enter the initial position with half available contracts. Did you? No, I didn't get the email this morning. I have so many emails. I have to go through them because there's so many emails, you know. But I'm gonna go through. I have DMs and emails. I have to go through with them. Morning, Judith. Hello, Judith. Reza, just a second, be with you there. Yeah, keep on going, Reza. Awesome. What you're doing is just really awesome. Well, Tamimi, I think his country was on the ban list or something like that. Not sure. I think that was the issue. So I'm not sure if they, I mean, how he, I mean, I think I remember correctly that Reza saying that his country got to the ban list. I think we should go to 72, by the way. Just saying. $72.50. Yeah, 72.50. It should go there. Enter the small scalp to go for the 72.25. This is just a scalp trade, and I'm going to add more to it. I don't even have a stop loss on it right now. Only with 5 micros. That's an issue you can fix. I mean, I think by the law you're required to have a residential address in a different country, which is not banned. I think it's just a motivation only, not not show off the reason I got banned, because they could not move me to live account. Oh, because the United Arab Emirates not on the list. Oh yeah. Now I remember, they wanted to move you to a live account, and okay. Hey Bowser, happy Thanksgiving to you too. Marco, good morning. We have a giveaway, Bowser, so exclamation mark cash. By Reza again. How surprising, right? Where is it? Okay, so here's my trade, just a scalp. I don't even have a stop loss on it yet. Actually, I'm gonna put one here. We should be going to the 72 area. It's just a scalp. Yeah, that's a good question, Tamimi, by the way. It could be a government issue, yeah. Yeah. So most likely. Are you guys going to trade the New York AM session? Because the markets are open until 1 p.m. So what do you guys think? Should the New York AM session be traded? No. Bowser says no. By the way, careful with funded accounts. Obviously, market could go slow. But saying that, I must say that, for example, last year I noticed that, around these holidays and even, around Christmas, surprisingly, the market was making fairly good moves. Like, hell yeah, Dilsik is saying, hell yeah. We are addicted. Everyone is addicted. We are addicted. Okay, let me put this on this screen. We only have 26 people in the giveaway, so odds are very good. Odds are very good. Only 26 people in the giveaway. Hey Reza, I don't even know what to say. What you're doing here on this stream is beyond great, so thank you so much. Have a good one, and catch you in New York. Have a good one, Reza. Matt, good morning. If I forgot to say hello to anyone, then I'm gonna say hello. Hello to those that I forgot to say hello. No one will be in office trading in USA, but algorithm will be running. Yeah, the algorithm, it never stops. Only 26. Hurry up and run it then. Yeah. Hey Sam. Dario, good morning. Paul, good to see you, Paul. What is the withdrawal information from Bulenox? I don't know what you mean by that. I got paid for now all the time. The minimum withdrawal is $1,000 and the safety threshold is $2,600 on the 50K. So that makes it, you have to trade up to $3,600 to be able to withdraw $1,000. Naomi, that's true, by the way. I just wanted to say, like, if there's nothing major happening, well, obviously then the volume is slower, but when there's nothing major going on, then the algorithm takes over like an autopilot. Actually, ICT was talking about this in a similar context. When there is no big news or whatever, the autopilot, aka algorithm, takes over and it just goes and sweeping liquidity up and down, and that's what it does, obviously. So I tend to believe and anticipate that we could be seeing some very nice price delivery during the holidays. Obviously trade smaller size, I guess, but hey Paul, good to see you, man. So we're gonna wait about, for example, about 8 or 10 more minutes to pick the winner, so we can say that the early birds are gonna win again. So I'm in this small trade. I think we should go, and by the way, this is art in a way. Look at this fair value gap on the 1 minute, starting from 875 to 872. If you really look at it closely from yesterday, 9:51 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, that this is the first presented fair value gap, and how price is gravitating towards this gap up there. So quite interesting. And that's why I'm 90% sure that we should be poking into 72.50. So my TP is at 72.25. Best DJ in town. What up? Good morning. Good to see you. Where's my phone charger? My phone charger. I was thinking to buy a new cell phone because I have this one for like 4 years now, or four, at least 4. So I'm not really into smartphones and anything, but I have this one since a few years. So I might going to look for something new, you know. Also, I was thinking to, you know, I want to. Oh, this is how do they pronounce it? Xiaomi. I don't know. Xiaomi. I heard it pronounced different ways, but it's Xiaomi. Redmi Pro 9. So it's an old model. It's a Redmi Pro. It's a 9. So it's an old one. And so I was thinking, because I want to make some. Yeah, I heard about that, Laura Beck. I heard about UProfit. Something they retroactively changed some rules, but I don't know the details. Pronounce it correctly. Okay. I heard that they retroactively changed some rules. Okay, so I don't know if I should buy a super phone, a cell phone, to make videos, or should I buy an action camera, you know, the one that has the stick and it can, you know, turn 360 degrees. I saw that some YouTube content creators using those kind of cameras. Or what do you guys think? Should I just buy a better phone and use a gimbal, or what it's called, and should I do videos with that? I don't know which direction to take, you know, because I do want to make some more videos, and maybe it's better if I have a better phone. I don't know. Yeah, that's true. Oh, now they're coming with a sale, but I'm not buying. You know, Laura Becca, the thing is, although I'm also promoting these prop firms, but you can never know what comes down with any of them, because the prop firm space in the past couple of months, I think, and I'm saying it's like it's changing, and I think a lot of people are losing trust in the prop firm industry, and it's just sucks, you know, because they can do whatever they want. So that's why I really want the regulations to come in next year. I really hope that next year regulations will do something. You prefer getting a phone? Okay. Yeah, I'm leaning to the direction of as well, like I want to get a better phone. I mean, this one is a good phone as well, but I want to get a newer phone that can do even better quality videos. And if I do like a vlog or something, I think I'm gonna buy like a gimbal for stability control and stuff like that. So I might go with the phone, yeah. Because I don't want to walk around. If I, you know, sometimes when we went to a road trip or something, I got some vibe on me, and I just recorded it on my phone that, hey, here we are, blah, 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 and I just recorded it. But I'm not sure I'm running around the city with the camera, you know, in my pocket. So the phone is always with me. The first fair of the New York Open was 9:51, ICT said. Yes, exactly, Bowser, and that is it. So if we go back to yesterday, and this is the 1 minute, let me zoom it out. This was the first fair value gap, the 951 candle. Boom. And we had the 5 minute as well. But this was the first one here. This fair value gap. That was the first reasonable and normal 1 minute gap. And interesting to see if I zoom out. Let's zoom out. Interesting how price is actually throughout Asia session just slowly grinding its way back into the gap, and that's why I think it should go back. I might get stopped out here. Yeah. I might get stopped out here because there's some volume imbalance. So this is a tight stop. Nevertheless, I might re-enter again. Actually, no. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna lower my stop right there because I'm still confident that it should hit that fair value gap. When the regulations come, then all prop firms will be on the same level as far as accounts go, and it will come down to price, so it will be good. Yes, exactly. Best DJ in town. Yeah, we always come back to these gaps. I mean, if not always, then 90% of the time. And that's why I'm fairly confident that this should be tapped. Maybe, you know, maybe first it will go down, sweep some liquidity. So this can also happen. You just gotta be careful. You will be that 10%. No. No, you won't be. You won't be. By the way, is there a contract rollover in December or something to the February contract? I think it's gonna be in December, right? Not sure. December 17. Okay. Okay, so that means that early days of December the volume could be shifting, or even now at the new month. March contract, sorry. Oh, yeah, not okay, March. Yeah, March. Okay. I'm mixing it with gold. Because I think on gold there's a February contract. Not sure. Yeah. NQH 25. Okay. No. Please go up. All right. I think we should pick the winner, right? If you didn't know yet, there is a giveaway. So you have 10 seconds to enter. Exclamation mark cash. We have 39 tickets and I am going to close it real fast. Good morning, Michael. Enter the giveaway. Enter the giveaway. Oh, you entered. Okay, you have the ticket. Sly Fox entered. Sponsored by Rezo Banks again. Okay. Okay. 5 seconds, okay? And I'm gonna cover the chat. So if you come in too late, then you know. In profit trade funding, 50k funded account. I made 400 profit first day, 200 single trade. The next day, I lose 800 single trade, but I came back to profit. I'm gonna talk about it, 7 money bag, yo, because 200 end of the day. Did I break? You didn't break the rule, but I'm gonna talk about this after we pick the winner. That's a very good question. You're good. You're good. All right. Hello, Lucifer. Hello, Tron, and everyone. Happy Thanksgiving. Yeah, you too. You too. 7 money bag, yo. Happy Thanksgiving. All right. I'm going to cover the chat. So if somebody types in, whoa, Yashwant Varma. Yashwant Varma. Sorry, I butchered the name there. All right. I'm gonna cover it now, so if someone comes in late, I can't do anything. So I'm covering the chat. I don't see anything now, and I'm closing it now. Entries are closed. 45 tickets. I don't see the chat. So the one and only, the best of us, the one who wins the $50 cash giveaway sponsored by Reza is gonna be no other than the one and the only. Who else could it be? TZ. Congratulations. TZ, congratulations for the $50 cash giveaway. Now I'm Oh, sorry, you were late. Oh, I was covering the chat. I just tabbed it back on the screen. I told you guys I'm gonna cover the chat. Tizi is Hungarian. Uh-oh, it's rigged. You're welcome. Are you Hungarian? That's great. Feeding your dogs? Oh, I see. How many dogs do you have? That is awesome. Let me log into the chat. And oh my god, I think I got taken out from the position. Not yet, but I will be. Bizony. Okay, we have a Hungarian trader here. All right, let me here's my email, and if you have a PayPal, that would be great, or any other Cash App. Tizi, ha van PayPalod, átküldöm azon, vagy esetleg Revolut vagy Wise. Valahogy megoldjuk. Ha ezek közül van valami. Rád bízom. Csak küldj egy e-mailt. Alright. 3 doggies. That is awesome. Uh-oh. It's not looking good. This position is just not looking good. Múltkor is... Ja, tényleg lehet. Oh my god. De akkor nem más néven voltál? Nem tudom már. I think Tizzy has won. He's just saying that he won already a giveaway. Then it's rigged, I guess. I got taken out from this position. Oh man, I'm so sad. I don't know how I'm gonna survive this. I lost $60. So... I was so sure. I guess we needed some sort of a pullback. So... You're short. Back to VWAP. Where's the VWAP? Oh yeah, it's down there. Okay. Okay. Okay, super. Where is it? There. It's done and done. Isle boy. Isle boy? Isle boy? Anyway. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. Learn something today. It means my butt. Oh. Of dizzy in Arabic. It means in Arabic? Okay. Range trader, hello. Let me look at this closer. It might gonna do some liquidity sweep lower. Are the markets open New York session? Yeah, the AM session should be all right. Equities? Does equities open by that? Oh, hold on, that's a good question. Anyway, futures will be open. So, you lose 120. So yeah, 7 money back. Yo, let me scroll back. So, 40% fund in fund account. You made 400 profit on the first day. 200 single trade my next day. I lose 800 single trade, but I came back to profit. You came back to profit, so you lost 800 and you came back to profit. The consistency with ProfiTrade is that they're also looking at your biggest trade. So one single trade, they're looking at one single trade as well. But they're looking at the day too. So for example, just a second. For example, you're aiming to go for $3,000. Just, you know, consistency is $1,200 with the 40%. That means that one single trade, it can be bigger, but should not be bigger than $1,200, your best trade in the payout period. So, for example, if you go down, for example, $2,000 negative throughout the day and somehow you manage to recover, make sure to close the position with lower than $1,200. And if you're still married to the idea that it's going to go into your direction, then open a new position because they're watching the biggest trade as well. That's it. You can still continue to trade throughout the day without violating, this is a soft rule, so it's not a big deal, without violating the consistency rule. So you can continue to trade. But if you sit in a position and you make like $2,000 with one trade, that's going to be counted into your consistency. So make sure to go for lower profits and maybe open another trade. Okay. If you came out of a drawdown with a single 2,000, that will count. Yes, exactly. Even if your day, exactly. So what you can do is close down the position. Hold on, I'm just watching this. Okay, I'm re-entering the trade. I don't care. So what you can do is close down the position and reopen another position. I know it sounds a little bit silly. I know. But it is what it is. I reopened the buy position. Maybe I shouldn't have. Small position, another $60, so I'm not confused or anything. So that's what you have to watch out for at ProfiTrade. They're monitoring your biggest single trade as well. So if you can still go if you recovered from a drawdown, you can still continue to make profits for the day. Just, you know, watch out for that. Yeah, 1 p.m. Eastern. 1 p.m. Eastern is the market close. So, Bessie, you're late. Oh, hey, oh, she put it on the scam list. Oh my God. I think Kellyanne puts sooner or later every prop firm on the scam list, but obviously, what can we do, right? Oh, it's gonna take me out. Yeah, it took me out. But we saw so many here in this chat we got people from Monday and Tuesday who got paid. So anyway, I guess ProfiTrade had the reason for why not to pay some traders, but what can we do? Only small detail is that she was aware of what would happen. Isn't yesterday. Oh. Isn't Kellyanne working with John Hurt? They're opening their own prop firm. Wow. Maybe we should open a prop firm. With on good authority, she was contacted directly by the CEO advising her there would be a series of accounts closures for breaking rules, and she was okay with it and thankful. Okay, so that's great. At least their CEO came out firsthand. Oh. What up with the chat? Nutty and Zero DJ says to stay away from ProfiTrade. Oh, I see. There's the video up. I watched it 1 hour ago. Okay. And then she goes and says they are scam after saying to him earlier, all okay. Oh my God. FUD is spreading all over the place always. The problem is, anyway, I don't even know if I want to comment on it. Okay, I don't even want to say anything because, you know, all prop firms are a scam. Everybody's saying, oh, prop firms is a scam, this is a scam, they are a scam, they denied someone, it's a scam, it's a, you know, everything is a scam. Everything is scam. If I go down, buy groceries, it's a scam. Everything. But yeah, it's just, you know, okay, if somebody says to trust prop firm A, somebody's going to come, no, they're a scam, trust prop firm B. And then a third person is going to come, no, prop firm B is a scam, prop firm A is a scam, everybody is a scam, so that's a scam too, they are a scam too, and everybody is a scam. So I don't care anymore. I just, focus on trading, and that's it. I try to focus on consistency. Top Step is a scam too. Apex is a scam too. Every single prop firm is a scam. If I go down to the street, everything is a scam. If I see the clouds, that's a scam. That tree over there, there's a tree, that's a scam over there. And I think my neighbor is a scam as well. And that's an air conditioner there, that's a scam too. Everything is a single scam, everything. I lost a trade, it's a scam. The market is a scam. Twitter is a scam. The whole universe is a scam. We're being scammed. So okay, it's out of my system at least. Oh, Red, Top Step is a scam too. Red, sorry to say that, but they are a scam as well. They denied payouts, by the way. Nobody talks about that. I don't know why. Top Step denied payouts. They're a scam. They're scammers. So, retroactive prop firm. Welcome home. Yeah. Or we can call a prop firm PTSD prop firm. Michael, Top Step is a scam. Wink. Top Step is the biggest scam. The biggest scam of all. They're all scams. So. Yeah. She has TickTick, prop firm, same founders of TickTick. Yeah. Everybody's a scammer. I'm a scammer too. You can cut this off out of context and you can put it online. Everybody's a scammer. Every affiliate is a scammer. Every YouTuber is a scammer. So I'm a scammer. Every YouTuber is a scammer. Everybody's a scammer who trades online in social media. It's a huge scam. The whole industry everything is a huge scam in this. So anyway. It's just a huge scam. Okay, by the way, this one shifted structure on the 5-minute, but I'm still not trusting it. I'm still not trusting this. This is a scam. This price action is a scam. So no, I'm not trusting this price action. It's a scam. That being said, I'm going full tilt, and I'm just over trading this account now because it's a scam anyway. So yeah, I'm trying. I just Vivian. Top Step with the new features is a scam. Just saying. That's a scam. Withdrawal, they will take the money from your account so you can keep. That's a scam. It's all a simulation anyway. Tron is a scam. So Jesus is not a scam. Jesus is not. Jesus is real. God is real. Everything else is scam. Yannick's, what can I say? Good morning, Fabio. Biggest scam is that we go long again before we even touch the weave up. That's a scam. Bessie is short. Not having traded weight is still a warning sign. Well, they said that it's gonna take more time. That's all I know. I'm on a roll. Yeah, because too much scam prop firms in the space now. Everyone is a scam except you. They told us lies. Can you imagine if a prop firm lying? I cannot imagine that ever in my life. You're not a scam. I mean, the Tron coin. No, not you, Tron. No, not Tron X. No personal. No, Tron. You're my man. When you throw the mug at the wall, yeah, that's true, Tommy Me, you know. I have a mug here. Let me drink my coffee. And I'm gonna throw it to the wall, okay? Tron, you're not a scam. Sorry, I wasn't meant like that. I thought that you were referring to the Tron coin because FTT was accepting a Tron coin. That's why I was saying that. Not for you. Not for you, Tron. FTT was accepting Tron coins earlier when they started. That's what FTT said. Dare you. Welcome home. Throw that cup. This is a long position. This is a long position, Air Trader. So... I think it would be much better to put a scam. I mean, put a list, put every prop firm on a list, and call it scam list, and I think it would be much simpler. There would be only a scam list. Yes, I'm gonna be here in New York AM session. Yeah, I'll be here in New York AM session. Smoothie Hulos. Yeah, that's what I'm afraid of. I thought that, you know, I really got married to the idea of this 1 minute gap up there. Yeah, Tizzy. Tizzy is saying our currency here in Hungary is the biggest scam, and that's true. The Hungarian forint as a currency is the biggest scam of all time. Duskalian has, by the way, an affiliate code with ProfiTrade, because last time I checked, the prop firms that she's calling scams are still affiliated with her. I mean, she's still affiliated with those prop firms, so you know, bit of interesting there, but nothing. Not saying anything, but you know. So if she's saying that XYZ prop firm is a scam, then why is she having an affiliate code to get some money as an affiliate? You know, that's a little bit hypocritical, or how do they pronounce it? I'm sorry, but anyway. She made 30K. Yeah, there you go. Are we in trouble now? Let's see. Oh yeah. She was made aware before the fact, and she was happy and okay, and said rules had to be respected. Wow. Anyone Kellyanne is not affiliated with, she puts on her military veterans or people's affiliate code to use. Oh, that's great, actually. That is great. That is great. By the way, Naomi, that is good. I take back what I just said. I mean, I have nothing personal or anything. I don't. Oh man, I don't want any issue about this. I just, you know, it was just interesting. But it's a nice gesture. Is the year of the change. Let's hope so. Let's hope, Rebecca, that finally it's gonna go in the right direction. That's life, scam or not. People need to eat. Yeah. Did you keep her affiliates with them after calling them scams? Apparently she did, but it goes for the veterans. That's a good thing, right? She is affiliated, okay. Only her sons. Oh, okay. No, nothing. Okay. So Army Navy is hers. She puts someone else's code for Apex and some others. Okay. No, I don't want to continue to comment on this because I have absolutely nothing with Kellyanne. I saw her videos and I think her videos are informative, and that's great because she has materials to help out people. It's great, but that's it. But obviously, sooner or later, I think everybody's gonna go on the scam list, so that's why. FTT paid 30K. I'm sure ProfiTrade paid her as well. Yeah, I don't care. Kellyanne, I think she's great. I think she's doing a great work. I have absolutely my full respect because anybody who puts him or herself out on social media, respect for the information and everything. That's it. It's just surprising to me how easily she puts everyone on the scam list. That's all. And then she promotes them. So it's a little bit controversial for me, but that's it. I'm zipping it. I'm moving on and focusing on the trade here. And that's it. There's a saying, one more sentence here. And that's the last of what I'm going to say about it. I'm not, I know there's an English version that's better than what I'm going to say here. There's a saying in Hungary here. We don't shit where we eat. That's it from, you know. And that's it. And obviously, I'm not just saying about affiliate, but trading payouts and everything. So anyway. Let's just move on. Let's just move on. Hey, Slim Trady. Work? All right. The politician inside down took over. Yeah. No, I'm not commenting it. That's it. We have the same. Okay. Okay. You have the same in Poland. Okay. Trading Edge, what's going on? Well, they have a that's actually a good question. That's a good question. All right, I'm still married to this trade. I'm just hoping that we will go to that 72. We have the London Open in less than 2 minutes, so sleepy eyes. All right. Hopefully the London Open will push this. There you go. Let's go. I think I might even add to it. I should have added to it down here. Let me check the 5-minute real quick. Interesting. 3-minute. We have a fair value gap still down there. Anyway. Certain tickets, and they don't always work. Yeah, I heard about this. Yeah. Right, we have the London Open. Don't shit on your own doorstep. Yeah, something like that. Something like that. What we say, like, really simple, like, don't shit where you eat, or to the place, or at the place, or, you know, something like that. You passed evaluation 3 accounts. Scared to trade them yet? Oh, just take it slow. 10 points. Just take it slow, and you should be perfectly okay. Yeah, don't shit where you sleep. Yeah, it's the same, almost. Oh man, this is gonna go down and take me out again. I just can't engage in another trade to this direction. If I lose this one, and it seems like I will, I'm gonna be down about 180 bucks. Crypto is making me rich. No prop firm rules involved. Yeah, by the way, Laura Becca, do you day trade crypto? I always wanted to ask some people who are trading crypto of if they do, where do they trade? You know, do you trade futures in crypto or spot prices, or, you know, let me know. I'm just interested. I'm just curious how people are doing with crypto, or day trading with crypto. Is it even a thing? Is it a good thing? Is it possible? Is it really blah blah blah, you know? Don't bite the hand that feeds you. Oh yeah, Tizzy. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, slow day today. Yes, yeah, most likely it should be better for scalping small, but I've been holding since oh, you're holding, okay, since 23. Nice. Congratulations, Rebecca. I think you entered just at the right spot there. 23. Nice. Congratulations. You know, just gotta make sure, don't hold your crypto on the exchange. You know, as they say, it's not your keys, it's not your crypto. If you're holding it on Binance or Coinbase, it's not your crypto. Put it to your own wallet, because that's the old saying. That they say, it's not your access keys, it's not your crypto ledger. There you go. All right. There you go. Yeah. If anyone is holding crypto on an exchange, it's not your crypto. You can lose it any moment, just like that. Boom. So never, I mean, I don't have crypto. I'm not holding crypto right now, but if I would never hold crypto on an exchange. Not even Binance or Coinbase. They can go down, or they can be hacked any moment. FTX. Oh man. That's gonna take a while, right? Oh, Michael. Sorry. What is going on with the FTX thing, by the way? Is there a hope that some money can come back from that massacre? Oh man, this trade. Small trade on a FEMX 2K. Let's go. 10x leverage. That's all right. Morning. Hey, Tamás. Good morning. Hello. Oh man, that's not good. I was really hoping that we will go. Clearly, we're not going. Clearly. What? Sorry, Tom? Why you say sorry? Had a quiet view. Well, oh, it had? Offline crypto only computer is better. Well, maybe. Maybe. Okay, what is going on here? Just going sideways. It's gonna be a slow market. I can already feel. Sorry. Why you sorry, Tron? I don't know why you sorry. Uh-oh. It's going down. Keep secure backups of seed phases. Yeah. I think I'm out from the position. Yeah, it got me out. Unfortunate. Oh, maybe that's why you're sorry. Can this one go way down to 74? I don't know. Maybe it will. Yeah, this is the this is yesterday. I made a scalp this morning to go here to the first to this 5 minute, and this is the first gap. I left it since yesterday. Somebody's gonna win, somebody's gonna lose. Yeah, exactly. That's how it is. That's how it is. What a slow day. By the way, what's the range here since the open? Oh my god, 15 points. This is so terrible. This is just bad. We're gonna be ranging here, I feel like. Hey Camille, what's going on? No, I don't want to scalp it. I already tried. Didn't work out. So I've got a short stop above the high. Let's go. Well, you can target some lows here. We have Asia lows at 833. Would be interesting to see the drop. There you go. Slowly, you know, going down. I really thought that this one wants to go, but it's just not. It's not doing it. So it's just not doing it. It's just one of those days. Thank you, Camille. That makes it fun. Hey, FX and Trophy, what up? It always amazes me. You and we are on the opposite trade all the time, and that's funny. And that's funny. But now it really should take out the what's the level there at that 53, and we have some lows at 52. So yeah, down to the 50, I guess. It should go. Equal lows at 52, by the way. So that's gotta mean something. Look at all these gaps, small gaps, even on the, well, the mini doesn't really have that much, but there was a small gap here and down there. Oh my god, not too much volume. Not too much volume here to go with. The VWAP is 848. Let me check it. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's the VWAP right there. Only one. There could be only one. Dark Cloud, what up? I know, FX and Trophy, of course. This is how it should work. Upside down. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay, now it's going down for that 50, I think. There you go. Yeah, I was offside, clearly. The 5-minute did shift. I wasn't respecting this structure shift on the 5-minute, but now it should go below the 50. And maybe even lower to the 33s. I'm still going to extend that level for later. As for now, at the downside, well, we have the Asia low for the downside. I'm not sure if it will go down there, but it's definitely close. We have a new day opening gap, right? I totally forgot to check for that. Right here. So we have a new day opening gap. Right there. And right here. So new day opening gap. New day opening gap. That's down at 814. Okay. And we have the Asia low. The VWAP is holding it. Banks cannot manipulate now. But which direction, you know? That's the question. No, I'm not worried about it, Marcella. I'm not worried about at all. But there's always some FUD. We have multiple people paid out this week as well. So. So 50% level for the new day opening gap, because the 50% level is kind of fair value gap. Yeah, that's a good idea. And by the way, look at this retracement here to this level. Small 1 minute gap just formed. Repriced that gap. And by the way, the first fair value gap of the London Open was this one, right? A little bit higher. This. That was the first after 3. Yeah. So it might just pop higher to the 60s maybe. Yeah, but it's not being rebalanced. That's the thing. It has been repriced, but it has not been rebalanced. Yokozuna got paid on Monday. Oh, nice. Good morning, Venom. Wick is not enough, yeah. I'm not talking about repricing, rebalancing with a down close candle on the higher time frames. Until rebalancing, that level stays significant. Now, I'm not saying it's going to go straight down to that, but maybe next week, maybe after 2 weeks, sooner or later, this area should be rebalanced with a down close candle. I mean, usually. It has been repriced, but there is a volume imbalance here. This is a volume imbalance, I'm sure. Because if there would be no wick here, that would be a liquidity void without a wick. But since we have a wick, it is turned into an unbalanced price range. By balanced price range, we would need a down close candle. That would be rebalanced, you know. But like a paint roller. yeah. The bad thing is that some traders are typing to milk dry some prop firms. Yeah, they do. Question, yeah, I passed the 300k account. I paid and now funded. What's your opinion to do? Should I pass another? Trade them individually. That's what I would do, Camille. I would trade them individually. Yeah. Thanks for asking, and that's what I would do. I would go with them individually. So yeah, no body down there. I'm not saying that today is going to be rebalanced, so this can wait until 2 weeks. I'm just saying that sometime in the future, between 8:06 and 8:14, there should be a full body close, down close candle with a full body. Until that point, this area remains somewhat significant, at least. I'm not saying it's going to do now, obviously. It's going to do next week, or who knows. But a down close candle in that range should be happening sometime in the near future. I just watched the video. She was just questioning ProfiTrade rules. She never said they are a scam. Okay, because someone said that she is saying that they are a scam. Okay. UProfit was added to the list, not ProfiTrade. Okay, because I thought that someone said ProfiTrade was added to the list. So, okay. Information is getting, you know, try that at home with 4 or 5 people. Tell a gossip to someone. I mean, send them out the door and let each of every person tell the same gossip to the person next to. And the last person is going to come back with a totally different story. That's how it works. Thank you, Isle boy. Isle boy. I'm sorry, I can't say her name properly. You're welcome. New York instant dump. Well, we'll see. Now we have at least some proper levels. So not on the scale list. She just wants the scaling rule detailed in the fact. Oh, okay. Then guys and gals, ladies and gents, let me say this. I thought somebody in the chat said that ProfiTrade is on the scam list or something. That's what I'm saying. Like, why is everybody gets to end up on the scam list? But you know what? Everything is a scam. I'm not gonna go back there. No, she did say in 0 Day J show she will be adding ProfiTrade. Oh, okay. So Laura Becca is saying that she said it at 0 Day J stream that she's adding them to the scam list. Great. Oh, it's Kellyanne. She's a YouTuber. She makes review videos of prop firms, most likely. After she made that video, she said UProfit will be added. Those were already added. Okay. Apex even found not on probation to go live. Still think they are to send me to live. It's just frustrating, you know. Just, you know. I'm still going to keep trading with ProfiTrade. That's it. If you don't like ProfiTrade, obviously there's like 20 other prop firms instantly to go with. But you know, that's it. I have no problem with the rules, even not with the scaling rule, because on my funded accounts, I don't trade more than 10 micro. That's the max I trade with, or 1 mini if I scalp. So I don't even need 2 or 3 or 5 minis. So I have no issue with full porting, scaling. If I go full port, then I'm full tilted and the account is gonna get blown anyway. But I have no problem with MyFundedFutures has also a scaling rule. Other prop firms, TopStep has a scaling rule. I don't care about the scaling rule, but one thing is true. ProfiTrade should have added this rule way ahead before denying some payouts. That is true. ProfiTrade should have warned or put this in the main rules way before this thing. That, hey guys, we have a scaling. Now they have a scaling rule. Okay, yeah. But anyway. I don't care. Firms not able to maintain proper rules and documentation of them should be on a separate list, but maybe. Yeah, NPM, that I also agree. You know, creating rules along the way, especially a new prop firm. You know, when you start a prop firm, obviously I'm far away from being an expert. But if you create a prop firm at least, you know, have the takeaway from the history of what happened this year in the space, and lay down all the rules in every detail. I mean, just put out the details, everything, numbers, percentages, rules, everything, examples, you know, put out everything. And then, that's true, NPM. She's gonna put your channel on the scam list. Oh no! Oh my god. No. On my 300k, I'm tempted to do good 5 mini. If you're well, you know, 300k, you have plenty of room to go with. Has history of fuzzy logic rules and extremely bad documentation. Yeah, exactly. Oh yeah, 5 90-minute videos. Oh. Max futures with 20 accounts at once. Yeah, I mean, it's not a huge problem with that. I'm a scammer. It's hearts and girls, not money. Trust me, I'm not in those years now. Hello, Devin. What's up? I don't mess with any female involved with trading. No, I'm not. I didn't say anything. I actually said that no disrespect and anything. That's great that so everything. It's great that she's putting on videos, and I never had any problem, and absolute full respect for Kelly and doing all these videos. Somebody told me. I mean, anyway. I'm not going down that road. I have no issues. No disrespect or anything. I was just saying that, you know, why to promote a prop firm on a scam list. That's it. That's the only thing. I'm elite trader. No, don't mention that guy. Such a rude thing that he'd done, you know. That's a messed up thing. I think we're going back to that that gap up there. Good morning, A plus trader. Does today count as trading day? Well, yes and no. Today and tomorrow is going to be counted as one day. So just keep that in mind. So today and tomorrow is going to be one day. We're approaching midnight again. Yeah. Bob, hey there. What's going on, Bob? Good to see you. I only listen to strippers. John, come on. They're not scammers. Bob is pro. He gives you the secret sauce. Oh, great. I hope you guys doing great there. Da-da-dum. We're going higher. They only want $5. Coca-Cola recipe. Coca-Cola recipe sauce. All right. What's the secret sauce? Do you make it at home with your 2 hands? Come on. 5-minute full port is the sauce. All right. Possible market structure shift on gold. Okay, let me check on gold. Let's look at this. Seems like it wants to break higher. There are some levels. It's just going 2663.5 and higher. Could go. Let me see what this is doing here. Okay, bit of a drop again. A bit of a drop. It can still go down, take that Asia level, and I don't know. A little bit scared if I would want to take a long here. Feels like it wants to go lower. Take out the 45 and then the Asia low. But not sure. That Asia low would be way down. I mean, not too far. 33.50. What is the level on the mini there? 33.50, 33.25. Yeah. He has been below wave up for a while now. Hey Hersho, what up? Night reverse. Yeah, let's see. It's repricing this gap again. It's 1 minute. This might even go back. I'm gonna wait for the reaction here. Gold futures is GC. Yeah, it's GC. There was a small gap here, repricing it, acting up as a possible inversion. I don't know, not really the small one, but it's not going to yeah, it's just gonna go down. If it goes down, then it could just reach that Asia low. Yeah, rainy day, which is bearish. Should I trade? February, yes. Yes, February contract. Exactly. Go with the February contract. You can change contract on the prop firms too. I changed the gold to the February contract as well. It's going up. I took a long. You can set it manually, I think. You should be able, because every platform lets you to select manually. Yes, I'm long. I'm long. Very, very tight stop. So I'm risking about 200-ish, 180. So very tight. Good morning, John. That's about tech again. It's NVIDIA chips and so on. Oh yeah. Also, we have macro soon. We'll see. You know, you should be able to change contracts on every platform, I think. When you have 20 Apex linked accounts and making $5,000 a day, you should fly people. Oh yeah, we do that. Trust me, I will gladly do that. The problem with this entry is that there is a small void down there. The price will be going down. And again, this is a very, very tight stop. Morning, Zach. I would like to see price go back up. I mean, finish the move up there at 72. But so far, you know, at least that's what I was trying to anticipate. Got rejected. I mean, there was a bounce here. Tried to shift structure here. Also a small inversion down there, but it's really not really an inversion anyway. But I said, all right, you know, maybe this was the liquidity sweep, maybe. And now it should finish the move up there for yesterday. So, but it's a very, very tight position. Doesn't let you change? Why not? If you click on the plus sign on the upper left, you should be able to change it. Or on the magnifying icon or whatever, you should be able. Yeah, it's a slow market. And the macro is still 10 minutes away. So, one symbol. That's Top Step X. I never used Top Step X, so I don't know. Maybe you can ask support. But so far, every platform that I've seen, you're able to change between contracts manually. NinjaTrader, Quanthour, TradeAwait, Volumetrica, everything I saw so far, you were able to switch between the contracts. Oh man. It's gonna go down again. This is just not my session. Obviously. I mean, I see the level, but my entry is just not working out as I like to see it. At least it repriced this small volume imbalance, so yeah, they do it automatically, but for example on gold, anyway, but you should be able to change it manually too. You should have the permission to change it. Yeah. So that's from support, but is there a way to do it manually? They didn't update it. Okay. Well, for gold, you definitely should be trading on the new contract, the February. No manual way. Oh, I didn't know that. That's the first ever platform that doesn't let you, at least what I know, that doesn't let you to change manually. Anyway. Gold change, but NQ is still, because NQ, I think the majority of the volume is still on the old contract. It should be shifting in December. So I'm still staying on the old contract. The March contract should be coming in. I mean, there should be switching in December, most likely. Man, this trade is... I just messed up. How's that work and why? Camille, don't tell it to anyone. I have no freaking idea why they work like that in futures. Obviously, I don't know, because if I know, I'm not gonna say it. I'm stupid about it, so I don't know. It has to do something with economics and such. I don't really care. So I'm just watching the chart. I should be caring more. I should know at least why it works like that. So yeah, but why futures contracts? Why does it have to be even a contract? Why is it working like that? Why is it time based? Why is there a need? Somebody told me before it's because of the trades. I mean, not the charts, but of how companies are trading with each other and everywhere. The prices of goods and services and stuff like that. And I don't know. Because American. It's insurance for larger. Oh, yeah. Yeah, something like that. You know, something like that. Somebody was trying to explain to me that it has to do because of the price of goods and services and cash flow, that the big companies have to agree upon certain prices of things, and so they put it in contracts. So every goods service, whatever product is lined onto a certain fixed price, and that's why they're doing these anyway, quarterly prices, something like that. Yeah, I know, it's the same. Oh man, it's not looking good. I'm just offside today. We're gonna go down to Asia lows at 33. There you go. No, should just close it. Ah. Oh wow. Yeah. Frustrating. Okay, I'm done with this account. 3 losses in a row, or I don't even know how much. 3. It is what it is. Because you're buying something to be delivered in the future. Oh, yeah, Zach. Exactly. Because you're buying something that will be delivered in the future. Yes. Started with the commodities. Yes. Coffee factory. Exactly. Something like this. Yes, exactly, Camille. Exactly. Exactly. Yeah, good example. Oh, I'm gonna check it. Kasram. Thank you. Oh. All my trades are losses. What a session. I don't know if this one wants to go down to take some Asia lows or whatever. The macro just started, so that's kind of interesting. We're gonna have to wait. All right, bouncing up there. Yeah, that first, yeah. Actually, this one up there was the first gap since the open. So the only question is it wants to go for Asia low or just wants to reverse here. Ez nem a 9.30. Ez a 9 óra 9-es. A 9.30-as sose használom. Vagy a 9 órásit, bocs. Azt sose használom. Azt tudom jól én is. Alright. Very slow. Yeah, it's slow. It's just slow. What can we do, right? What? Where's the gap here? The gap is at 58, I think. Up there. That's the first London gap, by the way, this morning. That's the first London gap. Davet tudok többen. Today's things, yeah. Best to stay out, or you just only trade small or funded or evaluation accounts. Yeah, big boys are not going to push it. Yeah, yeah. So right now we only have the algo. It runs on autopilot. Interesting though. Very interesting. Well, the new hour starts in 6 minutes, so we'll see where it wants to deliver. When to know? There's a website, the CME website, that puts out the daily report every day and shows the volume. If you see the volume shifting, then then you should let me actually find it. It's on the website. I can't find it now, but I will look into it. I know it's there somewhere. Yeah, staying patient right now. I think that's the only thing we can do, and wait if there's gonna be maybe a shift. There are some targets up there, but I feel like the Asia low is close too. So it's stuck. NQ is just unplugged. Hey, espionage, what up? I'm trading futures since last September. Last year, September. Gold. Oh my god. Gold is, wow. Gold is on steroids currently. Yeah. Any special offer Black Friday? I don't know anything. I mean, Tick Trader has an offer, 45% off from the instant funded accounts. Bulenox has the sale for 91% until tomorrow evening. But nothing super special. I mean, these are good for instant fundeds as well. And Tradeify has a sale if you use the code Turkey. My custom code's still not working, but if you click on my link and use the code Turkey, that could be working. So Tradeify has the Thanksgiving sale too. Yeah, gold is, wow. All right. We have the new hourly candle real soon. In about 10 seconds. And we still have the first gap, which is actually here. The high of that candle is, what's the high? High is 50. Yeah, right there. Not sure if it goes or not, but it's still there. That's the first gap since the London Open, just saying. 58.50. But right now it's super hard for it to just make it like 2 ticks. Hey, Mr. Pipster, what's up? It's because they are speculating on the future on these. Yeah, they do. That's true. They do. What a slow. And look at that. Now we returned. So this was the as Tomasz is calling it, first presentation gap. Is that the official name? Okay. Since the market opened. So this was the first one. Now, it took some liquidity from this gap, which is great. Is it going to go down? I feel like it could go, but I had 3 losses already this morning, and I should be stopping now. What's the highest watching you got in live stream? Well, there was a time when we had 150 people or 160. I know I'm not such a good entertainer as other streamers, but we had a time when we had 160. In the New York session, it's much lower because obviously everybody is streaming the New York session, but we used to have in New York session, there was a time when we had 60 or 70 viewers in New York session. Usually we have about 20, 15, 20, 25. Yeah, it's bank holiday, Mo, so. I think it depends on also how, you know, on your style, on your approach, everything, you know. Oh, hey, Trading Edge. Sorry, I just received your email. Yeah, nice chart here. Just a second, guys. Trading Edge sent a nice chart. Holding here. If it's closed below. Okay, then short. Potential buy center here. Oh yeah, you're using this channel. Okay. Okay. By the way, interesting how this channel got respected down here and now it's going back. So good one. Good one, good one. Also, on the 1 minute, this is a bearish entry, almost like a perfect bearish entry. So it feels like it took some orders here and might want to go down to the Asia low. But I don't know. Nissim, sorry, forgot to say hi. So let me, Vivian, let me search that website for you. The volume. Futures. Interest reports. Futures, okay. Asset class. Interest rate metal. Oh, how can I? Interest rates daily. Oh, that's not it. I can't seem to find it. I can't seem to find it. CME futures. can't find it. Last time I found it. Historical settlements. Oh, I think I found it. Not sure. I'm not sure. What happened? Sorry. I missed the chat. Even I started streaming from recently. Watching is, yeah. And I was streaming for 2 people for 6 months. Just saying, Mr. Pipster. Okay, so I think I found the website. Here is the one. But is this? It says micro E-mini Nasdaq index futures quotes. Now we have the December contract. Volume is this, and the March contract is still very low. I'm not sure if I'm looking at the right website. I mean the right data. Is this options? No, these, okay, this is not, okay. No, let's go back. Okay, so this is it. The volume should be getting bigger and bigger on the new contract. So until, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, until the volume is still bigger on the December contract, then you're good on the December contract. As soon as these numbers are start to shift, then it's better to shift to the new contract, you know. But I can send you guys this link. I'm not sure if this is the right one, but I can log into the chat, and here's the link, and you can save it somewhere, and then you will know. Who? I ignored something? Please show Thomas the channel picture. Okay, sorry. Just a second. You guys send me something? In Discord maybe? No. Oh, the channel picture. This was the channel picture, sorry. Mr. Pipster, I ignored your question. Let me see. Even started. What was the question? What's the highest watching? I answered. I told you the highest was in London. We had 160. In New York, the biggest was about 60 or 70 people. That was the highest so far. But don't cry, Mr. Pipster. That was the highest so far. It's different from channels. It's medianly. Also can pitchfork. Okay. Oh, it's on TradingView. Nice. That's that to hit the daily open, then push. Yeah. Interesting how this turned out to be bearish. You know, if you just entered on this bearish candle to a short, Boom. There you go. 1 to 2 risk to reward. And I was a chicken. Again. Because I already had losses. It's so bad. You're on the short? Oh, nice. Asia low could be the bigger target here. I would go with the, not the 33 watt, but you know, 835-ish area because of early profit taking. 835. Seems like that's the area. Each time I look at the chart, you got anxiety. It's, you know, it's part of the job. You know, it's part of the job. What can you do, right? That's how it works. Man, I'm still working on my Take Profit Trader account, by the way. Where is it? The MyFundedFutures account. I'm working on a Take Profit Trader account, which is this one. I'm going with 150k Take Profit Trader. Not because I mean 150. Not because I have any issue with the 50ks. I just realized that maybe with Take Profit Trader I need a little bit bigger room to trade with, and so far I still have a lot to go, like a lot, but 9k in profits, and I should be getting the funded account. So yeah. Now, do you know if Tick Trader is fast with payouts? Mine got approved, but nothing on Rise. Well, I think their payout also on bi-weekly. So they have a few business days. I mean, it takes for them a few business days, but they do pay out on. I mean, I never received the payout. I started to trade with them, but I checked a lot of things now. Not just Trustpilot, but they do pay out, I think, on a scheduled. Let me just check it. Yeah, standard processing time is up to 5 business days from the validation. So I would be going with about 8 or 10 business days. But so far, everybody told me that payouts are rolling out constantly from Tick Trader. Good morning, least estimator. What we will save you with? You guys can save me, guys. Please save me. Yeah, well, I don't even know what the heck is going on. I'm the least estimator. Yeah, no problem, Sam. But so far, Tick Trader is not on a scam list, as far as I know. Wink. But who knows? I mean, sooner or later, every prop firm is going to be on the scam list. But so far, they're not on the scam list. Well, this was a nice little move there. It still doesn't really want to fall down to that Asia level, and I still think there is room to go up there to yesterday's gap. Oh, 5 minute is barcoded out completely. Completely barcoded out. I wouldn't be surprised if this one would just, take the elevator down, to be honest. Especially after this nice reaction on that first gap. Send the analysis. All right, let me check. So tempting to make another website better than Kellyanne's with my own skill. You can do that anytime. Sent you super secret sauce. All right. Let's see the super. Oh wow! What the heck? What is this? What? What the heck is the cake? It's the cake formation. Price wants to find the missing piece of cake if we break below this piece. And there's a missing piece right there. Okay. Okay, I need this. I need this indicator. So it's the cake system. Okay. Yeah, John, it's the waiting game. And I mean, look at this. We have quite a few gaps, and it's not because of the contract switch or anything. There's just no volume in the market. Even the mini, look at how many gaps here. There's just nothing is going on. Nothing. That's a good analysis, Venom. Pac-Man, yeah, we can call it Pac-Man. We can call it Pac-Man. Oh. Oh. The Coca-Cola recipe. Holiday's birthday. God, I'm a one. Okay. Good morning, Michael. Good morning. Dinosaur chart. Pac-Man holds weight. Ah, yeah. Pac-Man is better. Just dropped by to pick the pro. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Michael. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. The only thing that doesn't have it right now is the Tradeify. But hopefully they will fix it. It was working, but it's not working now. But they're a bit of a slow. I sent them 2 emails now to please fix my code. This Russell, once it chooses direction, it just goes. Russell is going. Oh, where is it? Oh yeah, it goes. Yeah. Russell is on steroid. Why did the trader break up with their stock? Because it just wasn't showing any. Oh man. Oh, that's funny. That's just too funny. So we had to switch the time frames to yeah, the new contract. Well, it's not you don't have to switch yet. There's still time to switch in December. Rather break even. You're on Z. Yeah, less volume probably. Yeah, Michael. What's up with gold? Gold is going higher. Nice spike here. Quest pay, but I can't get through rise verification. I failed it and now I have to wait for them to come back to me. This is the 4th day. Well, Tiny Gumaid, I know that there are some people are having issues with rise, and unfortunately rise is not always that fast with support. I had some issues before with rise, and unfortunately the response was days later. So yeah, but you should be okay. Super duper sauce. All right, let's check the super duper sauce. Oh, that's it. Okay, so this is the super duper sauce. This is the chart. It actually tells everything. You know, I like it. This one is a good one. It's actually a very good one. And you can see support levels. You can see, you know, trend line liquidity, everything. Everything is lined up great here. Yeah, legs support. Expecting a pullback to yesterday's, yeah, 330 breakdown, 932, which is nicely shown on the 5-minute. Let's see the 5-minute. Yesterday's 330 Eastern Standard, I assume. Yeah. Down here. And we have also the new day opening gap down there. Makes sense because you hunt and aiming for the head is good. And tick is not available for rhythmic. I thought that it should be, because they have rhythmic. You have to choose the rhythmic data feed. Evaluation. Oh, I see it. Wow. So this is Tick Trader. All plans. So if you choose Tick new direct accounts, it says all plans, Ninja Trader, Trade Await, rhythmic data feed. It seems like they don't have it. Wow. They have CQG, which means if you trade Quant Tower, you might be able to trade as well, but no direct accounts go with Trade Await, Ninja Trader. S2F data feed. Okay. Huh. Interesting. I have to check on it again. Yeah, I'd like to think that price should be visiting that gap up there from yesterday, that first presentation gap. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it 100%. Look at how this gap is holding. This turned out to be a bullish, kind of like a reversal. Maybe I might even take the trade. Who knows? Tiny position for the stream, right? entered the trade with 2 micros. I'm risking like $15 on this. Look at that. I'm looking for yesterday's gap up there, breaking through this. Breaking through this area. Picked up some liquidity here. Now it should go up. You know. This is it. Oh no. Is it not a distraction, trading and chatting? Sometimes it is. What can I say? But I'm lonely throughout the day. I need to talk to someone. There's nobody I can talk with. But yeah, it's depending on the volume. For example, in New York, I'm not really focusing on the chat anyway. I mean, obviously I'm watching the market open, how the charts are moving. But you know, when it's super slow, then you know, that's the secret sauce, right? I want to talk to you guys. I'm lonely. Talk to me, Tom. Yeah, it's we have these, and I think we're gonna have these kind of sessions more and more throughout as the holidays are coming. Now, should I tell the yoga teacher about the dyno indicator? Yeah, definitely. You should. You should. What's the menu? Well, yesterday evening, we made some chili, and it's still in the fridge, so that's what I'm going to eat for lunch. A little bit of a chili sauce, or what, I don't know. Chili with bean, you know. Yeah, trading on Thanksgiving Day is just full YOLO. All right, see you next time, Trading Edge. Thanks for being here. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Chili goulash, something like that. Bean farts, exactly. So, bean farts are coming. Well, it's far it's far from being over, but the level up there, the 872, is yesterday's first fair value gap after the 9:30 market open. So that would be my ultimate target. Market maker buy. I'm in Hungary. I'm in Hungary. Nikkei and YM are in short area. It's not too far. It's like 12 points away. You know, if we zoom into the screen, it seems like it's far, but in reality, we're only 14 points away. So it's very close. It's very, very, very close. Yeah. No, I lost 3 trades in a row this morning, so that's why this is such a small position. It's basically for a moral victory. It's not even for the profits. It's for moral victory to hopefully see that freaking 872 level. But it seems like this gap is holding it back. So I'm in a losing streak on this session. I'm watching a downtrend on ES. Let me check on ES. What's happening? Oh man, it's also sideways. Honestly, I'd like to see ES pop higher to the 28s. At least. Might not gonna happen, but who knows. Also, usually when there is a bank holiday, we can still see some good moves in New York session. That tends to happen. Marco, my man, good to see you. Good to see you, Marco. How are you doing nowadays? Cheers from Montana. Oh, nice. Montana. Well, you know, we are such a small country, nobody knows we even exist. I don't know if that's an advantage or a disadvantage. Sometimes it's an advantage. A trophy from oh, I see. Do you pay any taxes in Hungary over your profit? Sure. Oh my god, don't tell me. Ugh. Well, if you have the good connections, you're free to go. But other than that, you pay 40% tax. Our country is all about tax. Basically, the money that we make, we give it personally, almost personally, to the Prime Minister and his family. That's where the tax money goes. Personally to our Prime Minister and his family and friends. So that's how things are being run here. Yeah, our Prime Minister is still hungry. His stomach is not big enough. Everyone knows Hungary. Yeah, everyone knows. I mean, yeah. Cheaper than well, yeah. I mean, I can say I think that we are, because we are officially the poorest country in the European Union, and it's really official. It's an official data. Hungary is the poorest country in the European Union. It's a little bit. It's somewhat cheaper to make a living, but the price of food and goods are still high. But anyway, that's politics. Curious why the economy? 2 words: Prime Minister. That's it. That's it. No, Romania is super great. Romania is way ahead of Hungary. Way, like light years ahead of Hungary. Light years. Hungary is the poorest country. Romania is way, 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 way ahead of Hungary, both economically and everything, you know. They are way ahead. Way ahead. Tates lived there. Yeah. 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 I speak English and I speak German, but German just on a super basic level, like real absolute basic level. That's it. And I'm thinking to pick up another language, because we have these countries like Slovakia, Slovenia, you know, we have the Czech Republic all around us. Well, almost Czech is almost, but Croatia. And so I'm thinking to pick up. So these languages are basically almost at the same group. Small differences between Slovakian and Slovenian, right? So I'm trying maybe to think to pick up this language. I just don't know which way to go. Slovakian, Slovenian, Croatian. I have some Croatian friends, by the way. Serbian. These are the same family of language. You know what I mean. And I'm thinking to pick up something from there, but because there's so many similarities between those languages. Wir schaffen das. Oh yeah. If you make 5K, you is in Hungary. How? If you make $5,000 in a month in Hungary, you consider to be living a very, very comfortable life, and you consider to be in the top, you know, not the top 10%, but in the upper middle class. You consider to be in the absolute upper. You drive a nice car then, for lease, you know, or you know, you have absolutely money for everything, to pay rent, to lease a car, you know, buy stuff every month. So with $5,000 a month in Hungary, you made it. You made it. You know, doctors are making $3,000 or $2,500. Doctors. So if you make $5,000, phew. Better not to tell anyone that you're making $5,000. That's what I can say. If you're telling someone that you're making $5,000, you're going to be a target by the government. Really. The government is going to target you if they know that you're making $5,000. Just saying. Bear flag? Could be. Russian. Yeah, Russian language is coming. Croatian, okay. Slavic, there you go, Slavic. Slavic language, yes. I have at least one Slovenian friend. Yeah, Marco. Slovenia is beautiful. I have to go back there. There's some beautiful peaks and valleys, beautiful sights. I'm gonna look over at there. I mean, I'm gonna go to some hiking, you know, some places. You definitely live comfortable life. Tamás. Poland? Live under the bridge? Yeah, that's crazy, yeah. Tamás is living under the bridge now. Doctors here, if you know, it's a question of what kind of doctor are we speaking of, right? So if I'm saying like, yeah, Tatra, we say Tatra, yeah, Tatra Mountains, yeah. Yeah, definitely. So depends on what kind of doctor are we talking about. The regular doctor, I don't know what to say it, like your neighborhood doctor where you go to when you have some issues, without anything special, you know, by not doing anything, just, you know, basic things. The regular doctor makes around $2,500 a month, something like that. $2,000, $2,500 a month here. If you work in a hospital, you make a little bit more. I mean, those doctors make a little bit more. Unfortunately, not too much. Make around $3,500 or $4,000 a month if you work in a hospital. Obviously, if you're directing that department in a hospital, then you make more and more. But even a good doctor in a hospital makes about $4,000 to $5,000, and they consider to be okay. But still, I would gladly give much more money to the doctors, because our doctors are going away. Many Hungarian doctors are going away to work abroad. So they are go to live in Germany, Finland, Sweden. Many Hungarian doctors are leaving the country because they don't get paid here. What I can tell you, a specialist, yeah, but so specialist can make more than $5,000, and you know, next to this comes the money that a doctor, when a doctor opens up a private office. I don't know what to say, how to say it in English. A private office, when you know he works at a hospital, and after the hospital he still accepts clients, patients. In his private office, then obviously he can make another $5,000, depending on how he or she is doing it, you know. But anyway, if you make $5,000 here in Hungary, then you made it. You made it, and you consider to be amongst the higher middle class. So yeah, just like from Turkish. I think Cyprus is really good for taxes. Yeah, a lot of companies are paying tax there. Which country would you migrate to hypothetically? Which country? If I would have to migrate to a country. If I can go anywhere, if I can choose anything, no issues with the paperwork or anything. They just tell me, okay, no problem, just choose a country and you can permanently live there. Part of me would say US, but no. I don't think I would choose, not that I don't like America or anything, but I would be going far away. Maybe down to Australia or New Zealand. I don't know. I know it's super expensive there. I know. So anyway. Dubai is nice too. I don't know. Oh yeah, Toscana, Italy, yeah. Down under. No paperwork, no borders. Yeah, just down to Australia or New Zealand. The issue is that, as much as I heard, it's super expensive to live in Australia and New Zealand. Everything is very expensive. But anyway, I think that would be far away from everything. That's where I would go. Yeah. Far, far away. I know I like Arab culture. So I like the Arab culture. I think it's great. The thing is that it's too hot in Dubai. Now I know that Australia is too hot too. I know that the summertime, or you're just melting away. But I'm not sure about Dubai. It's not about the culture or anything. I don't know. Melbourne. All right. Is there a country that you can migrate where you can be a full trader and pay less tax or no tax at all? I was thinking about Dominican Republic. How do they pronounce it in English? Or maybe Cyprus, Dominican Republic. I was thinking about Thailand too, but it's just too. I mean, if I would have to trade and pay taxes and establish stuff, I don't know. I would stay a little bit. I mean, Dominica is super far as well, but crazy hot. Is on your bucket list. Let's go. We have lots of refugees from Middle East. If you like the culture, we can send to Hungary with love. Okay. All right. All right. At least that's the estimator. That's a deal, right? But it's worth it for a couple of extra bucks. I know someone from Hungary who lives in the Dominican Republic, and he says it's super cool. I mean it's everything is great. The weather is great. People are great. Living expenses are somewhat, I mean, obviously not cheap, but normal. And, Puerto Rico. Half year there. There are no federal US taxes. Oh, okay. And someone also told me that Mexico should be also, I mean, Mexico should be also a good target for long term, because the Mexican government so far didn't really followed all the stuff that the US wanted them to do during the pandemic and everything. So people want a little bit more freedom there. I don't know. That's what I'm just reading. Gangs? Yeah, that's what they told me too. In Mexico, you just walk down the street and there you go. How about country which your money you earn in trading even just can go a long way? Well, even from $1,000, if you can go a long way, Thailand, maybe. Some Asian country. And you would be surprised what I'm going to say here, that maybe some part of the Russian Federation somewhere. I know it seems a little bit crazy, but some parts of the Russian Federation, maybe, or I don't know, South Korea. I don't know what's there, but no, that's expensive, I think. South Africa maybe. I mean, besides, as a country, I have no, I mean, the war is a thing, okay? It's terrible. But as the country, as of Russia is a big country, obviously, and I think there are some places there that where you can live cheap and be very beautiful. Korea and Japan expensive for 1K. Oh, Southeast Asia. Yeah, we mentioned Dubai. Yeah. Rainbow Six Siege. I don't think I will have time today. I have to visit someone. I have a meeting. This market, guys. Oh, it's just terrible. Just for the fun of it, I'm going to leave this trade on. Just for fun. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think I am going to cut it here. It is what it is. Slow market. I'll be back for the New York session. Maybe we can have 1 or 2 hours of nice volume, but I don't know. Thank you so much for being here. We had a good chat. And again, if you would like to support, please use my code. The tomsabo code works almost everywhere. Tradeify, it's not working right now, but if you click on my link and use the code Turkey, it gives you the best discount for Thanksgiving. Thank you so much. Really appreciate you guys being here. And what can I say? God bless you all. I'll be back for New York session. All right. See you later. Cheers.